My name is Fuad. I'm a medical doctor and a professor of public health at the American University of Beirut and country PI of the Health System Resilience Project, R4R. Well, resilience, the term refers usually to how the structure, the system adapt to different shocks. And this is particular in a sort of either natural shocks or man-made shocks. And that actually include different elements where we can measure how the system is effective and efficient in responding to shocks.
Hello everyone, my name is Chichu and I'm from Myanmar and I work for the Burnett Institute Myanmar as a research director. I think in Kapavastu, the learning side, I find a lot of interesting things and really enriching experiences within the learning sites because Nepal's health system is growing and it's being developed into a system that community participation down from it's like more words from down to the upper level instead of being taken from the upper to the lower level. So I see that the community involvement of female community health workers, the mothers group, and then connecting it to the local health systems, and then to involving all the municipality areas with a different perspective of the health system in terms of delivery, in terms of service given. It's very unique.
My name is Karen Miller. I work at Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine in the UK, and I'm responsible for the communications of a number of projects, including ReBUILD for Resilience, which is why I'm here in Nepal today. I guess the main thing is it was such a privilege to be able to go to Lumbini province, to see the learning site and to meet the people involved. When you're working at distance, virtually like we have been for so long, you don't get to a real sense of the people and the issues involved, and it makes such a difference to come to a site and actually see it in the flesh, as it were. It was a remarkable visit. We met so many fascinating people who do such vital work and who in themselves have shown such resilience.